Download this code from codegib.com, link in the description below. Archiver Settings and Troubleshooting, a comprehensive guide. Archivers are essential tools for compressing and archiving data, offering benefits like reduced storage space, efficient file transfer, and secure backup. Understanding the settings and potential issues with archivers is crucial for effective data management. This tutorial will cover common archiver types, their settings, troubleshooting techniques, and practical examples. Common archiver types **** tar, tape archive, a Unix/Linux standard for creating archives, originally designed for tape drives. Tar itself doesn't compress, but it can be combined with compression tools. ***zip, gzip, a widely used compression algorithm, often paired with tar to create .tar.gz, or .tgz, files. ***zip2***, another compression algorithm offering better compression ratios than gzip, but generally slower. Creates .tar.bz2, or .tbz2, archives. ***xz** provides very high compression ratios, making it suitable for archival purposes. Creates .tar.xz archives. ***zip** a cross-platform archiving and compression format, commonly used in Windows environments. ***7z** 7-zip, an open-source archiver with excellent compression capabilities, supporting a wide range of formats. 2. Tar command, settings and examples. The tar command is the foundation of many archiving workflows on Unix-like systems. Understanding its options is key. Core options ***C, creates a new archive. **X, extracts files from an archive. **T, lists the contents of an archive. **V, verbose, displays the files being processed. **F, file, specifies the archive file name. Important ***, this option must be followed by the archive file name. **Z, gzip, compresses the archive using gzip. Implies .tar.gz extension. **J, gzip2, compresses the archive using gzip2. Implies .tar.bz2 extension. **J, xz, compresses the archive using xz. Implies .tar.xz extension. **C, directory changes to the specified directory before archiving or extracting. This is extremely useful for controlling where files are placed. *exclude equals pattern excludes files or directories matching the specified pattern. *exclude from equals file excludes files or directories listed in the specified file. *p, preserve permissions, preserves file permissions. Crucial for maintaining file ownership and access rights. *-owner equals user sets the owner of archived files. *-group equals group sets the group of archived files. *-numeric owner uses numeric IDs for owner and group instead of names, essential for compatibility between systems with different user/group databases. *a time preserve equals method preserves access times. Method can be a time, or replace. *time equals date sets the modification time of the archive. *ignore failed read ignores unreadable files during archiving. Use with caution. *remove files removes files after adding them to the archive. Use extremely carefully as this is destructive. B examples 1. Creating a zipped archive of a directory *C, create a new archive. *Z, compress with gzip. *V, verbose output. *f, archive.tar.gz, the archive file will be named myarchive.tar.gz. Asterisk my directory, the directory to archive. 2. Extracting gzip archive asterisk. Asterisk x, extract. Asterisk z, decompress with gzip. Asterisk v, verbose output. Asterisk f myarchive.tar.gz, the archive to extract. 3. Listing the contents of an archive asterisk. Asterisk t, list contents. Asterisk z, decompress with gzip, needed to read the contents. Asterisk v, verbose output. Asterisk f myarchive.tar.gz, the archive to list. 4. Creating an archive with gzip2 compression asterisk. 5. Extracting an archive to a specific directory asterisk. Asterisk c/path/to/destination, change to /path/to/destination before extracting. All files will be extracted into this directory. 6. Excluding files from an archive asterisk. Asterisk dash exclude equals star.log, excludes all files with the .log extension. Asterisk dash exclude equals temp/asterisk, excludes the entire temp directory and its contents. 7. Excluding files listed in a file asterisk. Create a file named exclude.txt with the following content. Then use the following command. 8. Preserving permissions asterisk. The P option is crucial when you want to preserve the original file permissions, ownership, and timestamps. If you omit P, the extracted files will be owned by the user running the tar command and have their modification time set to the time of extraction. See common tar troubleshooting asterisk. 1. Tar, cannot connect to, cannot connect, connection refused asterisk. This error indicates that tar is trying to connect to a remote tape drive, usually over a network, but cannot establish a connection. This is rare unless you've specifically configured tar to use a remote device. Solution asterisk. Ensure the F option specifies a local file path for the archive. Double check that you haven't inadvertently configured tar to use a remote device through environment variables or command line options. 2. Tar, error exit delayed from previous errors asterisk. This generic error message indicates that tar encountered problems during the archive creation or extraction process. It usually accompanies more specific error messages. Solution asterisk. Carefully examine the output of the tar command, paying attention to any cannot open, permission denied, or file not found messages. These messages will provide clues about the specific problem. 3. Tar, skipping symbolic link, asterisk. By default, tar archives symbolic links themselves, not the files they point to. This is generally the desired behavior. Solution asterisk. If you want to archive the contents of the files pointed to by symbolic links, use the H, or dash dereference, option. Be aware that this can lead to unintended consequences if symbolic links point outside the directory you're archiving, potentially including unrelated files in the archive. Using dash dereference when extracting can cause similar problems if the archive contains symbolic links to absolute paths. Exercise caution. 4. Tar, removing leading / from member names asterisk. This warning means that tar is stripping the leading / from absolute paths when creating the archive. This is done to ensure that the archive can be extracted to different locations without overwriting system files. Solution asterisk. This is generally not an error. It's a warning to inform you that absolute paths will be relative paths inside the archive. If you want to preserve the absolute paths, not recommended, use the dash absolute names option. Warning asterisk. Using dash absolute names can create security risks, as extracting the archive could overwrite system files. It's generally best to avoid this option. 5. Tar, myarchive.tar.gz, not in gzip format asterisk. This error occurs when you try to extract a file with gzip, when the archive is not actually a gzipped archive. This commonly happens when the archive was created with a different compression method, like gzip2 or xz, or not compressed at all. Solution * identify the correct compression method used for the archive based on its file extension, example tar.bz2 for gzip2, tar.xz for xz, tar for uncompressed. Use the corresponding option, J for gzip2, J for xz, or omit the compression option for uncompressed. You can also try to use the file command to identify the archive's format. The output of file will often tell you if the file is gzip compressed. Then extract using the correct option. For example, if the file command indicates it's a gzip2 archive, use 6 tar, archive is corrupt or unexpected EOF in archive asterisk. This indicates that the archive file is damaged or incomplete. Common causes include interrupted downloads, disk errors, or corrupted storage media. Solution asterisk. Asterisk verify the integrity of the archive asterisk if you downloaded the archive, re-download it from a trusted source. Use checksum tools, like MD5sum, SHA-256sum, if provided by the source to verify that the downloaded file is identical to the original. Asterisk check disk space asterisk ensure you have sufficient free disk space to extract the archive. Asterisk check storage medium asterisk if the archive is stored on a removable drive, check the drive for errors. Asterisk try a different archiver asterisk sometimes, a different archiver can handle slightly corrupted archives better. Try using 7-zip or another archiver to extract the archive. Asterisk attempt repair, if possible some archivers, like zip, have built-in repair capabilities. For example, zipfmarchive.zip can attempt to fix a broken zip archive. 7z also includes some repair options. 7 permission denied errors asterisk. This error happens when the user running the command doesn't have the required permissions to read, write, or execute files or directories within the archive or the extraction directory. Solution asterisk. Asterisk check file permissions asterisk use LSL to inspect file and directory permissions. Ensure that the user running the tar command has the necessary permissions to read the archive file, write to the extraction directory, and access the files being archived. Asterisk use sudo asterisk if you need to access files that require elevated privileges, use sudo to run the tar command with root privileges. Be cautious when using sudo, as it can have unintended consequences. Asterisk change file ownership asterisk if you consistently need to access files owned by another user, consider changing the ownership of the files to your user account using chown. 3. Zip command, settings and examples. The zip command is widely used for creating and managing zip archives, especially in Windows environments. A core options asterisk. Asterisk zip archive underscore name file1 file2, asterisk creates a new archive. Asterisk r, recursive includes directories recursively. Asterisk e, encrypt encrypts the archive using a password. Asterisk p password asterisk specifies the password for encryption, less secure than prompting. Asterisk d, delete deletes files from an archive. Asterisk u, update updates an existing archive. Asterisk m, moves files into the archive and deletes them from the source. Use with extreme caution. Asterisk j, junk paths store just the names of the files, do not record any directory information. Asterisk q, quiet suppress messages. Asterisk v, verbose mode, displays more information. Asterisk -0 to -9 asterisk compression levels, 0 equals no compression, 9 equals best compression, default is 6. B examples asterisk. 1. Creating a zip archive asterisk. 2. Creating a zip archive recursively including directories asterisk. 3. Creating an encrypted zip archive asterisk. The command will prompt you for a password. 4. Deleting files from a zip archive asterisk. See common zip troubleshooting asterisk. 1. Zip warning, name not matched, file does not exist asterisk. This indicates that the specified file or directory does not exist. Solution asterisk. Double check the spelling and path of the file or directory. 2. Zip error, nothing to do, asterisk. This means that you didn't specify any files to be added to the archive, or that all specified files were excluded. Solution asterisk. Ensure you've provided a list of files or directories to include in the archive. 3. Zip error, invalid command arguments, see zip h, asterisk. This means that you've used an incorrect option or argument. Solution asterisk. Carefully review the zip command's help message, zip h, and correct the command's syntax. 4. Password problems asterisk. Asterisk. If you forgot the password of the zipped files, it can be hard to recover it, so it's important to save the password of the zipped folder in a password manager. 5. Corruption during the zip process asterisk. Asterisk. If files are being corrupted or are incomplete, check the drive for errors, and it is advised to have backup options. 4. 7z command, settings and examples. 7z, 7zip, is a powerful archiver with excellent compression capabilities and support for a wide range of formats. It's often a good choice for archival due to its high compression ratios. A core options asterisk. Asterisk 7z archive _name files, asterisk creates an archive. The A stands for add. Asterisk 7zx archive _name asterisk extracts an archive with full paths. Asterisk 7ze archive _name asterisk extracts an archive without full paths, all files in the current directory. Asterisk 7zl archive _name asterisk lists the contents of an archive. Asterisk p password asterisk specifies the password for encryption/decryption. Asterisk r asterisk enables recursive processing of directories. Asterisk o directory asterisk specifies the output directory. Asterisk t type asterisk specifies the archive type, example zip, tar, gzip, zip2. If not specified, 7z will use its native 7z format. Asterisk mxn asterisk sets the compression level, n equals 0 to 9, where 0 is no compression and 9 is maximum compression. Asterisk spf asterisk show full file paths. B examples asterisk. 1. Creating a 7z archive asterisk. 2. Creating a 7z archive recursively asterisk. 3. Extracting a 7z archive asterisk. 4. Extracting to a specific directory asterisk. 5. Listing the contents of a 7z archive asterisk. 6. Creating a zip archive using 7z asterisk. 7. Creating a password-protected 7z archive asterisk. Important note asterisk storing the password directly in the command line like this is generally not secure, as it can be visible in shell history and process listings. For better security, omit the P option. 7z will then prompt you for the password. See common 7z troubleshooting asterisk. 1. Can't open as archive asterisk. This error indicates that 7z cannot recognize the archive format. This can happen if the file is corrupted, not a valid archive, or not supported by 7z. Solution asterisk. Asterisk verify that the file is a valid archive and not corrupted. Asterisk ensure that 7z supports the archive format. 7z supports a wide range of formats, but it may not support all esoteric or proprietary formats. Asterisk if the archive is password protected, provide the correct password using the P option. 2 error, cannot find archive asterisk. This error means that the archive file specified in the command does not exist or the path is incorrect. Solution asterisk double check the file name and path. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access the file. 3 warnings for files, path is too long asterisk. This warning indicates that the path names of some files within the archive exceed the maximum path length supported by the operating system or the archiver. Solution asterisk. Asterisk extract the archive to a directory with a shorter path. Asterisk use the 7ze command to extract the files without preserving the directory structure. All files will be extracted to the current directory. This will avoid creating long path names. Asterisk if possible, shorten the file names or directory names within the archive before extracting it. 4 incorrect password asterisk. Make sure you know and have the right password before encrypting. V General Archiving Best Practices asterisk. Asterisk choose the right format asterisk select an archiving format based on your needs and the target platform. tar.gz is common on Linux/Unix, while zip is more prevalent on Windows. 7z often provides the best compression. Asterisk preserve permissions asterisk use the P option with tar to maintain file permissions, especially when backing up system files. Asterisk verify archive integrity asterisk after creating an archive, consider verifying its integrity using checksums. Asterisk use meaningful names asterisk choose descriptive archive names that reflect the contents and purpose of the archive. Asterisk regular backups asterisk implement a regular backup strategy using archiving tools. Asterisk test your backups asterisk periodically test your backups by restoring them to ensure that they are working correctly. Asterisk store backups securely asterisk store backups in a safe and secure location, preferably off-site, to protect them from damage, theft, or other disasters. Asterisk be mindful of security implications when dealing with sensitive data. Encrypt your archives using strong passwords or key-based encryption techniques. Avoid storing passwords directly in scripts or command lines. By following these guidelines and understanding the intricacies of archiver settings and troubleshooting, you can effectively manage your data and ensure its safe preservation. Remember that consistent practice and thorough understanding are key to mastering archiving techniques. Good luck.